Children, today we will do the book exercise of your lesson 5 of English 2, that is the golden bird. Okay, explanation we have already seen, so today we will see the book exercise. So you all open your page number 35 and be ready with a pencil. So first one is the understanding the text. I hope you have learned the question in this word meanings. Okay, learn all the word meanings which is given in the lesson. So let's start. Complete these sentences. So first one is, the king felt sorry for the bird because he felt that it was wrong to keep a bird in a cage. See children, less space is given here and the sentences are long. So what you can do, you can just stick a page like this and you can write it here. Okay, complete the sentences. The king felt sorry for the bird because he felt that it was wrong to keep a bird in a cage. The monkey wanted to show the bird where to find food because he wanted to help the bird. Okay, answer is he wanted to help the bird. Third one, the bird said that the snake could not teach her anything. Answer is teach her anything. Fourth one, no one could see the chameleon because he was the same color as the tree trunk. I repeat, he was the same color as the tree trunk. Fifth one, the chameleon wanted to, answer is, show the bird how he saves himself from danger by doing something wonderful. I repeat the answer. Show the bird how he saves himself from danger by doing something wonderful. Sixth one, the three animals helped the bird by saving her from the eagle. Okay, saving her from the eagle. Now next is question answers. Question answers you will get as PDF and you will write all the question answers in your classwork copy. Okay, in second term portion. Now let's come to page number 37. Match the parts in A with the phrases in B to make complete sense. Okay, phrase. First of all, you should know what is a phrase. So phrase means, children, these are the group of words which has some meaning, but unlike a sentence, it does not have a verb or capital letters or full stop. Okay, these are just a group of words which make some sense, not complete but some sense. So let's see. The traveler walked slowly. So this matches with through the woods. It is already given here. Second one, please write, answer is G1, the answers to these questions. Third, the last train to Salem F leaves at 10:45 p.m. Fourth one, eating too many sweets is C, not very good for your teeth. It all happened in the morning. A1, very suddenly. The food that he cooks is both even healthy and tasty. The fishermen set out to the sea. B1, in their small fishing boats. So I read out the sequence now. D, G, F, C, A, E, B. This is the sequence. Now next is B1. Complete these sentences with the correct prepositional phrases from the box. See children, what is prepositional phrases? Preposition you all know that in, on, across, behind, the words which are used with noun or pronoun. These are preposition. Prepositional phrase means what? That it means prepositional phrases are again the group of words which usually starts with a preposition and ends with a noun or a pronoun. Okay, like if we say the king looked at the cage for a long time. Okay, so for starting with a preposition and ending with time. Time is a noun. So the words which starts with preposition usually starts with preposition, ends with a noun or pronoun. They are the prepositional phrase. So let's see. In the box, see, there are some phrases given, prepositional phrases, and we have to use it and fill in the blanks. Please, number 1, please wait. The doctor will be with you in a moment. It's already given. I really need something dash. My head hurts badly. So I really need something for my headache. Okay, for my headache. This you will write. Now turn your page. Do make sure you are ready dash by 7. The answer is by 7. The play begins at 7:30. Fourth one. Anna was so kind. She answered all our questions dash with patience. Answer is with patience. 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 I'm afraid to cross the road. Sometimes the cars go by dash at a high speed. At a high speed. One is, it is not safe to swim across the river. Okay, answer is across the river. So I repeat, number 1 is given, number 2 for my headache, number 3 by 7, number 4 with patience, number 5 at a high speed, and number 6 across the river. Now next one is, join the words in A with words in B to make complete sentences. Then write the complete sentences in your notebook. Underline the words which are used together in the sentence. So first one is, the baby snake disappeared and slid, it's matching with number D, into the deepest part of the ground. Second, our class teacher asked us to find, number E, to find out the names of singing birds. Please do not throw A1 away your old toys. You can donate them. Mother asked us to take F down the address quickly. My brother will pick C1 up the groceries on his way back home. Number 6 one. Let's wait here. The next bus will come B along soon. So children, you see here there are words like slid into, find out, throw away, take down, pick up, comb, come along. So these words are always used together. Okay, so this was it. And next is, complete these sentences with the correct time phrases from the text. Time phrases like from then on, as time passed, sometimes later, at first, at the moment. So these are telling time, not exact time, but still they are telling us some time. So let's see. The king was happy to have the golden bird, but as time passed, he thought he should let her go. The golden bird spoke rudely to the monkey, and the monkey went away. Sometimes later, answer is sometimes later, a snake came slithering by. Third one, at first. The golden bird did not see the chameleon because he lay against a tree trunk that was of the same color. So answer is at first. Fourth, the golden bird saw the eagle and called for help. At that moment, M-O-M-E-N-T, moment, the golden bird felt something like a rope pulling her into some bushes. It was the snake. Fifth one, the golden bird thanked all the animals and they became her friends. From then on. Okay, and it means from that time. From then on, the monkey, the snake and the chameleon looked after her. So first one is given, second sometimes later, third at first, fourth at that moment, and fifth one is from then on. So children, so this was the book exercise. Fill your book exercise and learn all the exercises properly and learn all the word meanings from the book. Thank you.